Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of AI, or artificial intelligence. So, let's talk about AI basics and how it can become an integral part of our lives in the future. AI is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to transform our lives in countless ways. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is already making a significant impact on our daily lives. In the future, AI could revolutionize healthcare, finance, transportation, and even the way we communicate. It could help us make better decisions, improve our productivity, and even assist us in everyday tasks. However, it's important to note that AI is not without its challenges. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically, transparently, and in a way that benefits all of us. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.